What's up YouTube guys, welcome to Latifa's Python tutorial. After the 5 episodes about the basic introduction and installation of Python, and now I'm gonna show you the organization of this Python tutorial. Let's go. The structure includes Python installation, introduction, data types, flow control, function, class, module import, file I/O, exception, and algorithm. And in the previous 5 Python tutorials, we have talked about Python installation, and now we're gonna talk about introduction. About introduction, the chapter includes variables, statements, I/O, data types, and operators. And before we talking about variables, I'm gonna show you important Python's function about help. Alright, open the Windows CMD. And get into Python. And if you want to know the function about print, you can type help bracket print. Alright, you can see the structure about print includes value, separation, and end. And below this, there are explanations about this. For example, if you want to add string appended after the next value for new line, you can use the /n to do this. And if you also want to know the function about input, you can type help input. Alright, you can see the description about input. Read a new string from standard input, the trailing new line is stripped. Alright, you can see how easy it is. Today I have talked about the organization of my Python tutorial and the function about help. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.